In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Bookings.com customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first want to do is open up a web browser and then head on over to pishconsumer.com. This is the site here. This site's great for finding hard to reach emails or numbers of different companies and businesses. So once you're on this site, you want to click on the search icon, top right hand corner of the screen, and then type in booking.com and then click onto booking.com or give that a search. Here it is here, so it's got 3,500 reviews. What we need to do is scroll down and then we'll see reviews, about, contacts, Q&A tab. Go ahead and click on contacts, click the ad, scroll down again, and then here we go. So we've got a toll-free number for USA, so you can call customer service. We can also send them a message, an email, if you'd like to prefer to do that. And they've got a few more different numbers as well you can try out if the first one doesn't work